2 of my low calorie carrot cake. Well, to my utter amazement, it's worked. I don't know what it tastes like yet, but I'm going to show you the cake, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to do some low fat icing. Can you see that? Look at that. It's risen. It feels quite like, I can show you the bottom. It feels almost like a bread. It'd be interesting to see what it's like. Now for the topping, I've used some lightest Philadelphia cheese. I've added, again, a lot of that sweetener. I'm sure it can't be as good for you. I reckon sugar might be better, but still. And a pot of Total. And I've literally mixed them round here. And I'm going to pour it all on. You know, I don't know what the calorie value in this is. I'm going to just try a little piece in a minute before putting it in the fridge. The only thing is that with the yogurt, and I know this to be a fact, is that it does after a while turn a bit watery. So I don't know what will happen, but you know, this is an experiment. And experiments are good in the kitchen. So I'm really hoping that I got myself a really low calorie cake. I hate having small bits of cake, don't you? If you want a bit of cake, you want a decent bit. But you don't also want to be shoveling on the pounds. Okay, should we have a go? Shall we see what this is like, this little thing? There it is. You could actually add fruit to the top of it. That might be quite nice. Can you see that? It might be quite nice to add fruit and everything. But just for now, I'll tell you what I'm going to add, because it looks a bit anemic. Hang on a minute. I'm going to add a bit of ground cinnamon, because I honestly, it does to me look a tiny bit anemic. And it may just give it that little oomph or something. I don't know if it needs a little oomph. Oh, anyway, there you go. Look, that looks nicer, doesn't it? Looks much nicer. So, let's have a go. Let's cut a piece, put the rest in the fridge, and see what it's like. Okay, how does it cut first of all? As I say, I do like a decent size. If it's not large, I'm not having it. There's the middle of it. Look at that. Well, blow me down with a feather. It may well have worked. Again, I can't imagine that the calories are that much in it. I could be wrong. Let's try with a bit of a fork. And I'm going to tell you what I think of it in comparison to a normal, regular, there we go, sponge cake. Let's have a go, shall we? Now, interestingly, the sponge itself here, which you can see, is quite, it's got a breadiness to it. I know it's not as sweet, but it's not unpleasant at all. Would I, I think it needs the topping, for sure. It's good. I can't say it's not good. There's nothing wrong with it. It's different. I would prefer it with a butter ice topping, or just even some icing sugar. You know, water ice just over the top. Only because I'm so used to having sugar. I am. I don't know. But it's not bad at all, and it's worked. And the point is, I don't know what happens if you're diabetic, how much you're allowed of things, but certainly it's given me psychologically the feeling of having a really nice piece of cake. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video. This was a great experiment. Take care, love you all, and thanks for watching part 2.